Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, chocolate color, purple color, green color, red color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, heart, circle, pentagon, star and square. First we're going to draw the shapes. Triangle, next heart, next circle, next pentagon, next star, next kids square, now we're going to put the color. Green color, triangle, next red color, heart, next chocolate color, circle, next purple color, pentagon, next orange color, star, next blue color, square, what we learn? We learn green color, triangle, red color, heart, chocolate color, circle, purple color, pentagon, orange color, star, blue color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.